Before getting into the repainting of our deck, here's my little lawn chair hack for storage against the back door. I simply put in some lag style eye bolts, screwed them into the back deck, and used a bungee cord to wrap around the chairs, and that saves space from having them flopping around in the camper or in the back of the pickup truck. For this particular job, I used this Rust-Oleum deck resurfacing paint that has a gritty material in the paint itself. When loading ATVs or motorcycles, that grit really helps aid in traction to keep you from sliding. Especially in our case, this toy hauler seems to be a bit tall and is a relatively steep ramp to go up and down. In this instance, I preferred to use a regular hand brush to get into all the little nooks and crannies. There's a lot of deep little pockets inside the paint and the very rough wood used to make this door. So that hand brush really makes it where you can get in there and force paint into those little holes and nooks and crannies. I figured the black paint would hide the streaks from motorcycles or ATVs going up and down pretty well, and we also bought a projector that we intend on using in the back of the camper, and I thought the black would make a very nice background for the screen when we mount that inside.